I heard about STEMREGEN from a local, well-respected MD when a Harvard undergrad and Harvard med school doctor says, trust me, it works. There's certain people that just have credibility. I wanted to try STEMREGEN for numerous reasons. I love experimenting with different natural supplements. I want to be able to stand behind my recommendation. I'd say the first thing I noted, which was the farthest thing from my radar when I took it, I had a cracked, loose tooth. The dentist said I cracked it and the tooth was loose. I gave it 6 more months and I saw no progress in my cracked, loose tooth. I started the STEMREGEN, and within 2 weeks, and this is not why I took the STEMREGEN, within 2 weeks I started getting optimistic. I can eat better. I can chew better. Fast forward another 2 weeks, I was optimistic that this tooth was not going to fall out of my mouth. 2 months into STEMREGEN, I am wholeheartedly eating corn, confident the tooth will not come out of my mouth. I'm a very manual chiropractor. I do lots of myofascial release, which that in and of itself, I will stay on STEMREGEN for the rest of my life. I'm even to the point of contemplating doing certain exercises in the gym now that would normally put way too much stress on my big toe. What surprises me the most about STEMREGEN, it's very subtle, and the stem cells are going to go where they want to go, and no ill effects. You just need to be patient with it, and I couldn't recommend it more. I decided to start using STEMREGEN for my patients. There is nothing in my mind that will help healing better than this that's not injectable stem cells. When a patient is very uncomfortable, healing very slowly, very time sensitive, patients getting ready for the World Championships in Jiu-Jitsu 2 weekends ago, when I have patients that have those concerns, I definitely recommend it. Some things that I've noticed from my patients taking STEMREGEN: the patient who says their hair is thicker than it's ever been. I have a patient who swears their brain fog is better. That's super cool. I have several patients that do praise how fast they recover now. I'm thinking of a couple football players right now, and when the rest of the team is beat up from training and such, these young gentlemen are going strong. It is wholeheartedly worth the investment in my eyes. There is no other product I recommend when a patient says, is there any supplements I should be taking for X, Y, and Z symptom, other than STEMREGEN and, of course, glucosamine. Robert MEYER. I'm a chiropractor, sports medicine in Austin, Texas.